if you had a profile on a matrimonial website, say, what would be the 3 top qualities that you would put on your profile to make you look like a very good prospect?
I don't want to say that my husband is going to kill me.
How many matrimonial sites do you guys know of?
Bharat Matrimony,
Jeevansati.com.
Elite Matrimony, the new one.
I know there's some Chetan Bhagat.
Shadi.com, obviously, yeah.
Would you guys consider sometime in the future to build a profile on such a website?
No.
I'm already dating, so I wouldn't.
No, I don't think so.
Never. What do you think are 3 qualities that you would put on your profile, hypothetically if you had a profile, to make yourself look like a good prospect?
I'll say smart, confident, educated. I can be very confident in public.
I'm very simple. I'm a fun-loving person. I make friends quickly. Probably I'll talk about my passion.
I'd put tall, funny, flexible. My mom, you're not watching this. I'm a good kid.
Hardworking, punctual.
Punctual? No, matrimonial. Will come and called. Yeah. If you were looking at prospect's profile, what are the top 3 things that you would think that, bhai, yeah, okay, we can do this?
Funny, confident, well built.
Likes flexible.
He should be handsome.
Hardworking. Disciplined.
You all are running a school and looking well. I find discipline. Honest punctuality.
Qualification will be the most important thing, because if you're looking forward to someone, the first thing you see is what the person does for a living. A lot of people are cooler online than they are in general, so you expect them to be all very cool and very chilled out, but when you actually meet them, they're shy, they're a little ugly. अच्छा ऐसे दिखता है, चलो जाने दो, कुछ नहीं होता, बात time waste कर.
One woman man, that is extremely important.
Don't you think that somewhere in society, if a person is past a certain age, like 35 plus, and not married,
People keep
बच्चे की शादी नहीं हुई है, कुछ गड़बड़ है.
Basically, in India, you have to get married by a certain age, and then society comes into the picture.
If there are 5 cousins in a family, and if a girl is getting married at 23, then you know the rest of the girls automatically have open doors. Like, oh my god, come on, start, you have to get married and shit, you know. Yes, we do that.
And that's the worst thing. I mean, there's nothing worse than that.
Because the older you get, you know, your ideas become more set. So when your ideas are very set, you're not ready to compromise on anything for your partner.
Correct.
Within 25, it's ideal.
so you can grow together.
Yes, I personally feel the government should actually increase the age limit from 18 to probably 23.
You see people getting engaged, married, having babies.
Then you're like, मेरे को भी चाहिए.
Yes, exactly.
I told my mom I don't want to get married, and she was like, no, you have to get married. I'm not going to pay for your bills all my life.
Get married whenever you want. It's your life. You know what? Do anything whenever you want. Want to have sex? Do drugs? Do whatever you want. Want to get married right now? Do it right now.
Don't do drugs. Top reason to get married.
You will experience something new in life.
You'll experience.
Just to settle down, find someone, find a soulmate.
To live with somebody, get old with somebody.
Probably self-control. I don't want to like go around throwing myself at other boys. Have one guy to myself. Make babies.
I think people do that without marriage also.
Maybe when you're young, you really do not feel the need. But once you grow a little older, you know, you really, really, really need the children around.
3 reasons that you would give me for not getting married.
You don't have any option left. One guy, to sleep with him every day, be with him every day, listen to him, and then a lot of insecurities. Bullshit.
Number of fights they're gonna have.
That you'll fight with your boyfriend also. I fight with my doodwala every morning. What do you say?
Commitment thing that I have to come to him every day.
I can't go to the neighbor because he's so cute. Do you think that our parents and our aunties and our uncles think that bhai, only if you get married you can have like a stable sex life?
Half of the society are
But
like
that's
that.
not the truth, right?
Yeah, no.
That should not be.
I don't think so. You can have a happy sex life always.
Without getting
Yeah.
Children and parents really need to come on a few terms right on front, because if it's about the older generation, then they probably don't know a lot of things that people are doing around.
You know that sometimes parents make profiles for their kids and don't tell them about it. Do you know anyone like that?
My parents were my elder sister, and my sister doesn't know anything about it.
She doesn't know anything.
That's just pathetic. Don't do that. You want your kid to get married? Let them free. Let them find their own partner or something.
People who are too busy in life to be investing time to find a life partner, they can just do it online between whatever work they are doing.
If you exceed like 35, it gets very difficult to actually find, you know, yeah. I think that is very simpler when you come to a matrimonial site, because there's a lot of option available.
One of my friends, she's getting married and she found her life partner on this website. I cannot really say that it's entirely wrong because I have met the person, he seems nice enough.
It's something like a dating site, something maybe say Tinder, so you could actually find someone to talk to, if not a soulmate, maybe a friend.
You either go to Tinder or then you go to Shadi.com.
Yes. It's for the orthodox minded people.
What are the top 3 qualities you would look for when you decide to get married? Okay, am I pissing you off? Okay then. So I'm gonna see you in a while because you're honestly a little scary. Bye-bye. at the end of the day, if you found love sitting in your living room, on your couch, on the internet, well then that's awesome, great. But if you went out and made the effort to actually meet a real person, well then that's awesome, great too. Because at the end of the day, love is love. Tell me what you think, comment below. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to share and subscribe to the Being Indian channel, because come on, this is the only place you can watch Girl on Girl without the government ban. So what is menstruation?
I experience it every day. Blood from my
Every day?
vagina. I mean, not every day, every month.
My first time, I was stuck in the bathroom for 2 hours, just scared.
Yeah, I was just like, what the fuck is this?
करवा चौथ जीवन बीमा का भी बाप है। इसमें ना पैसे हैं न इंस्टॉलमेंट, सिर्फ उपवास रखो और रिटर्न ही रिटर्न है।
भाई फिक्र मत कर, करवा चौथ है।